Mic check, ayun. Alright, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Baba ng Baba ng camera natin yan, okay na. Alright, medyo needed to adjust lang for a little bit, pero everything should be good now. Alright, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, yan, today, massive bounce for our dito, mga investors dyan. Let me just open the chart really quick po nandito as I go to share screen. Yan. PSEI today, another red po. What's new? Di ba? Taka lang my screen is not sharing somehow. So, let me make sure. Display capture. There we go. Yan. So, yan, PSEI, another red day po. Pero, halos kaparehas lang tayo ng closing yesterday. Right? We just closed at 0.02%, higher than yesterday by 0.97. But the big story is, ito, net foreign selling, another net foreign selling day. Market still bearish, mind you. So, but we have a massive support at 6,000. Diba? That's something. We saw this the previous na mga Teka lang let me adjust this. Adjust ko lang para mas makita nyo. Alright, the past few days meron tayong massive buying sa market during this day. Pero for the past 3 days, negative po tayo. Pero ito, dito nagkagulo kanina sa market because of dito went up 28%. Yan. Sabi ko sa inyo, malapit ang buy nun eh. So hopefully, when I said earlier na buy on the bounce, nakuha nyo kanina umaga, hopefully you did. Right? 28% po ang bounce ni dito kanina. We closed at 9.84. Massive bounce for today. Definitely, I would say, if ever, dito yung best entry eh. Right? This is the problem with volatility. It's gonna be very hard for you to get in once. This is a very volatile stock, right? Napakainit ng stock na ito. Pwede siyang gumalaw ng napakalakas in a day. And this is proof to it today. Diba? Net foreign buying po tayo, 20 million. It's already very cheap at that point, man. Alright? So, we did mention buy ito on a bounce. So, hopefully nakuha nyo. Sino nakakuha nandito kanina on the bounce? Simula pa na ng bounce. Congratulations. Massive gains for you guys. Congratulations once again sa mga nakakuha. We closed at 28.80%. Tingnan ko sa comments sino mga nakakuha. Pasensya na. Sumisigaw si baby. Ishi Marimat, good evening Sir Lloyd, good evening po. Let's go to the screen. Let's go to the close-up. Yan, Ishi Marimat, Arturo Teero, good evening sa inyo. Magandang gabi. Alright, Benedict, teka lang, switch natin yung music. Agawin ko muna ang music nyo Yan. Kuha muna akong music para chill tayo. Pero yan, Noel Quindosa, good evening sir. Pa-check naman si Gold. Kamusta natin si Gold? Sorry, not Barrick Gold. Alright, let's open pro charts of eToro. Check out Gold. Yan po. So, still on a good uptrend, right? We were talking about gold with the trend that it had. Nag-pull back dito, bounce. Still on an uptrend, my friend. So, just follow this trend line right here. Meron tayong trend line na nakikita dito. Kaso nga lang, medyo malakas na yung akyat niya. Elliott waves suggesting na medyo mataas na yan. So, konti ingat lang. The next best time to check out the trend is gonna be this support right here. Okay? Elliott waves tayo. Nakailang wave na yan. So, it should rest for a bit before continuing the trend once again. So, konti ingat lang muna. Teka lang ha. Si crypto kaya saan papunta? Actually, mahirap pag-usapan si crypto eh. Napaka-red ni crypto ngayon. Alright, so yeah, I think magda-downtrend pa si crypto. Bitcoin, China announced that bawal na ang crypto sa China, and there it is. Right, I've been stopping you guys na bumili kay Bitcoin for quite a while already. Diba? Ayoko kayong bumili dito sa 50,000, 55,000. Ang dami nagtatanong dito. It's already very high up there. It's not time to get in Bitcoin. So hopefully hindi kayo pumasok at hindi kayo naipit dito. Sorry. This should be the one that I am adjusting. Nope, not that one. Right, so in-adjust ko lang yung screen ko. Alright, Bitcoin still on a downtrend. Massive downtrend, I tell you. It's on a massive sell-off at this point. This is good sa mga gustong pumasok kay Bitcoin noon. Alam ko gusto niyo pumasok noon kasi naiinggit kayo sa akyat niya. Kitams, I told you guys, medyo bearish na yan. So, alright, hopefully hindi kayo pumasok ha. Sa mga gustong pumasok, please po, huwag kasi naiinggit kayo. It's because it's a wise entry. And right now, this is good. Right? We are on a downtrend. At the very least, tignan natin dito at around 30,000 levels. Tignan natin kung mag-support dyan. Then that's where you get in. Huwag doon sa taas kasi naiinggit kayo. Alright? Basic rule ng trading. Maraming salamat at nakinig kayo. Alright? Magandang gabi, Jabo. Good evening, Janer Dianio. Franz Cavillas, hey sir, how are you po? Good evening po. Okay lang naman. Sir Lloyd, good PM po. Nag-open na po ako ng XM bot account using the link shared last night. Then nag-email sa akin from XM. Siya daw magiging personal account manager ko. Wala po ata nabanggit na ganon kagabi. May PM po ako sa inyo. Don't worry. Just follow the instructions doon sa Just follow the instructions doon sa registration link natin. Speaking of bot trading ito sa mga hindi nakapanood na episode kagabi, man, you missed a lot. Please watch the episode yesterday. I am introducing bot trading to you guys. Andyan sa video description yung registration ng bot trading. Right? May yung XM kasi is just a requirement for the bot. Right? So kung gumawa kayo ng XM account, hindi pa yon yung bot. Right? Iba yung bot services na XM, right? Depende yun sa gumawa ng bot. Since yung kaibigan ko ang gumawa ng bot, yung group namin ang magko-contact sa inyo. So follow this instruction on the screen or yung nasa registration link which is nasa taas, right? So fill the details below. Ayan, and then may screen kayo send kayo na screenshot to a number, and then join the Telegram link. Andyan po yung link sa Telegram. And then, once you're in the Telegram, yung admin na po ng bot service ang onboard sa inyo for the next steps. Okay? So, please follow these steps lang. Right? You don't have to contact me, but if you need questions, please send me a message. Sasagutin ko po kayo. Pero as much as possible, please follow this para wag natin ulit-ulitin. Right? Ito na yung instructions. We already set. Meron na kasi kaming admins na naset para mag-onboard sa inyo. All you need to do is just follow the steps first. Follow the steps first, okay? So, please check the link again doon sa taas, okay? Yun, that is for the bot. Going back. Good evening, John Abelgas. Good evening, Sir Lloyd from Ryan Bornea. Good evening po. Kamusta po kaya ang crypto at saan po to papunta? It's on a downtrend, right? We've been calling crypto before sila actually sasama na yung mga yan, right? Bitcoin is on a massive downtrend. Susunod yung ibang coins dyan, definitely. Yan. You know how environmentalist the generation is nowadays, di ba? So, yan. One of the biggest downside, totoo naman yung sinabi ni Sir Elon Musk, the downside of crypto is it's very inefficient. Inefficient in a way na sobrang bigat po magpatakbo ng crypto na environment. Bitcoin, kailangan mo i-mine, di ba? Hindi magta-transact ang Bitcoin kung wala ang mga miners. If you know about mining, part of the task of mining really is to do the transaction fees, di ba? I mean, not the transaction fees, but to calculate the transactions. It's very heavy processing yung pagta-transfer sa transaction yan. Ledgering it, rinirecord kung saan galing, ganito, ganyan. It's a very heavy process and it's very power consuming. Right? Sobrang tindi niyan sa kuryente. So it is inefficient in a way na doon, and it's bad for the environment. Right? Kumpara sa papel sa fiat. So that's the advantage of fiat over crypto. So yeah, environment outweigh. I will tell you honestly, environment will always outweigh this. Ano natin pera, sira naman environment natin. Diba? So, I think it's on a downtrend. There's kind of worms for crypto right now, so it's kind of shaky. I think it's gonna go on a downtrend for further a bit. If gusto nyo pumasok kay crypto in the future, antayin lang muna natin mag-stabilize before you wanna get in. Saan to pupulutin, and ayoko manghula, pero the support right now on the chart, basic on the chart, is at 30,000. So, baka doon natin pulutin 30,000 if gusto nyo pumasok. Okay? Ayun. Boss chart natin sa Bitcoin, yeah, massive downtrend for now. 30,000. That's the support for Bitcoin. Doon natin muna tignan. Converge, sir, nag-breakout na CNVRG. Let's check it out. Converge. That's a buy if ever nag-breakout na. Converge, ICT, yun. Nag-breakout pero nag-fail. At foreign selling, man. It did attempt to break out. Dalawang massive volume naman. So, if ever mag-breakout talaga to, let it confirm the breakout with volume bukas. Yeah, that would be a buy for me. Definitely. Right? Yung nga lang, nasa PSEI kayo nagtatrade ha. Net foreign selling yung market. So, mahirapan to mag-breakout. Nakapag-breakout siya on a net foreign selling nga eh. Diba? So, that's the momentum it has right now. Kaya nahihirapan siya kasi hindi sinasabayan ng mga international investors. So, ingat lang. Right? But yeah, kung gusto niyo i-trade talaga to, breakout is good entry for this one. Len Villanueva. Teka lang, meron. Sir, good evening, sir. Nakapag-deposit na ako sa eToro account ko here in Japan. Using my Metrobank debit card. Ready na mag-copy trade habang nag-aaral pa. Good to know. Jepoy Gagarin, right? Aside from copy trading, yeah, I invite you guys, if pwede, you venture into bot trading rin at the same time. So, you can diversify there, okay? Kasi nasa Forex naman ang robot, right? So, at least man lang, you also dip your toes into Forex kung saan ang laki ng pera sa Forex, man. At least may day trader kayo na 24/5 at the very least. Okay? Len Argot, thanks po. Sir, need po pala open pa ng bot. Yes, hindi lang porke gagawa ka ng XM may bot na kayo. No. XM is just the broker that we use in combination sa bot. The bot is a separate program po. Then, we will require, iko-control ng bot yung XM mo. Right? Parang, let's say, gagawa ka ng account na eToro, walang bot yun. Di ba? Dapat may mag-control ng eToro account yun. Here, this time, dito lang si XM. XM is, because of MT4, yung program niya, nakakontrol ng bot. So, yeah, you will need access to the bot. And, karamihan ng mga bot may bayad. Yung bot, pinapresent namin sa inyo, libre lang. To the first 50, right? We have massive registrations yesterday, konti lang po ang slots. So, hopefully, take advantage of it, right? Kasi yung mga coming na mga availability, may bayad na, right? Kasi, it's proprietary, right? May gumawa ng bot, may gumawa ng program, etc. ng mga parameters. And yung trading system nila ang ginagamit sa bot, right? So, yun, may bayad dapat yon, lilibre namin sa inyo. Ang kailangan nyo lang bayaran is the VPS, it's the server, right? Bayad sa server. Para hindi na kailangan yung computer nyo araw-araw mag-on, doon natin sa VPS tatakbo yung bot. Okay? So, it's just 500 a month for that, right? So, hindi na kailangan magbayad ng kuryente. You don't need a PC to be turning on for it to be hazardous sa bahay ninyo, etc. So, yeah, VPS, that's all the fee you need to pay, right? VPS lang. That's it. And the bot is for free. Nag-open din ako ng XM account, deposited as well. Ask ko lang, sir, ano yung pinakakaiba ng balance at credit sa XM? Yung 500 kasi nasa balance, then may 250 bonus sa credit. Yung bonus kasi sa credit, yung bonus yun ng XM, hindi mo siya pwedeng withdrawin, pero pwede mo siya i-trade. Right? Kasi mga bonus ni parang ganito 'yon. Di ba dati may mga promotion kay eToro na $50, etc. Nakukuha ninyo. Kagandahan sa promo ni eToro, pwede nyo i-withdraw yung binibigay nila. Dito kay XM, hindi. Right? Pwede nyo gamitin pang trade yung balance na yon, and then hindi nyo pwedeng withdrawin. Yung gains nun, pwede. Right? Good evening, Jong. Good evening, Zari Azucena. Sir, good evening. I would like to ask again your insights on Da Vinci. Let's check out Da Vinci. Uy, ganda. Support ni Da Vinci. Let me load my chart layout. Alright, supports for Da Vinci is right here. Earnings, negative for annual 2020. Negative, laki pa rin na negative nila. Man. We're looking at a good support. This is a very good support. Pag nag-green to, at the very least, you try to check it out. Pero bearish yung market, man. So, konti ingat lang. Accumulations time or strict trade pag ganito. Pwede nyo nang subukan itong support nito. Good find kay Da Vinci. At the very least, nasa support. Natatakot lang talaga ako sa market talaga ngayon. Still very bearish. Cut loss na blood sa crypto port. Goods pa ang mga altcoins sa support pa. Alright, that's good to know. Nasa support pa ang mga altcoins. Dapat ngayon kayo nagsisimula mag-test diba? Pero man, Jong, I think magda-downtrend yan. So, konting ingat ha. Kasi sumusunod naman talaga overall. Usually, ganito lang nangyayari kay Bitcoin, right? Close up. Pag nag-uptrend si Bitcoin, andun yung momentum kay Bitcoin, the altcoins nagpo-pause. Tapos pag nagpo-pause yung momentum ni Bitcoin, right? Or nagsa-sideways siya, yung altcoins ang namamayagpag kasi nagta-transfer muna doon ang mga traders. Tapos pag okay na yung mga yon, transfer naman kay Bitcoins, nagpo-pullback naman yung altcoins. So this time, Bitcoin is on a downtrend. I think maapektuhan dito ang mga altcoins. So konting ingat po sa trades nyo. Ayoko manguna, so just a precaution. Okay? Henry Ordiales, how much initial capital for EA bought? Just $500 po. And hindi po bayad yung $500 na yan. That's the amount you will have to deposit para po i-trade yung $500 na yan. Okay, sir, magkano po yung needed capital to avail the bot? 25,000 plus 500 para sa VPS. So, around that area. Sir, ano po app ng bot trading MT4 po? Actually, hindi nyo makukuha yung app. Right? Merong iba, kailangan nyo magbayad ng mahal para makuha nyo yung bot nila. Para kayo mismo ang nagko-control. But here, discretionary kasi yan eh. Here, yung bot, hindi nila sinishare yung program mismo, but yung service lang ng bot. Okay? Para hindi kayo kailangan magbayad ng mahal. Right? Kasi pag mabibili kayo ng bot, mahal. Sir, ano app ng bot trading? It uses MT4. So, yung trades nyo, MT4 nyo po makikita. Good PM, Sir Lloyd. Maganda na ba entry sa MM? Salamat. Let's check out MM. Mary Mart. Oy, ang ganda ng bounce ha. Sumusunod talaga to kay Sumusunod talaga to kay what do you call this? Kay dito Okay, yung first quarter earnings nila very good compared to last year. This is an engulfing pattern, my friend. So this is looking well. Actually, pwede nyo na aggressively, you could get into that. Okay? But I don't want you to go aggressive in this kind of market. Let it pull back and support. Actually, pwede you can buy some. If ever pulls back, pinakamagandang entry is this support right here. Okay? So for MM. Usually kasi I wait for the pullback and bounce to confirm the support before I start buying, especially in this market. SRPT, sir. This is from France. Kivillas, SRPT. Let's check it out. Good. Sarepta, nag-breakout na, my friends. We already called this before sa support. I told you guys, ang ganda ng support. Yun yung basukin nyo. Breakout with volume. Man, that's a good rally right there. That's a buy, definitely. Sarepta. Good find. All right. Congratulations, France. 500 pesos per month po. Yes, that's from Tricia Vargas. That is for the VPS service, right? Instead na computer nyo ang magra-run, it's gonna be a virtual, para siyang computer within a computer. So, yeah. I hope you get the point. That's for the 500. At least hindi na kayo hindi computer ninyo ang mag-on ng 24/7 for the bot to run for you. Okay? So, that's the purpose of the 500. Kuryente and the VPS, etc. Deljan Maumay, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening po. Pacheck po si Pop. Pacheck po 80. This is from Romilin Bonayos. Let's check out 80. Right, we have viewers over YouTube. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan. Alright, good evening from Jeric Limusnero, Jupit Banaya. Good evening, Farmer na malupit. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Alright, Jeric Limusnero, pa-check naman po si M. Wide. Alright, from Jeric Limusnero. Tignan na natin si M. Wide. Alright, definitely after this, 80. Mukhang tapos na ang trend niya. Volatile, pababa na. Pero yeah, we're seeing lower highs and lower lows right now. So I think na the downtrend sa Atlas. M-Wide naman. M-Wide, there it is. Bumaba na naman. Let's check out M-Wide support. Pag nag-bounce to, this is gonna be looking good. For now, wala pa. Right? If ever mag-bounce to, that could be something. Pwede mag-engulfing to. But yeah, baka mag-double bottom. Okay? So that's gonna be a good entry. We are at pandemic levels already for M-Wide. This is a very, very good price for M-Wide. Actually, pwede nyo nang i-long term to. I would say, maganda na, pwede na i-long term ang position nito. Just keep, hindi naman ibig sabihin na bibili natin to ngayon, aakit na yan for long term. No. So, you accumulate. You start accumulating now. If bumaba pa, you buy some, you buy some, you buy some. M-Wide is a good company, man. Asen Poser, thank you. This is from Paolo David. Right, Asen, support po ang entries natin for Asen. Abangan nyo po sa support always. Always buy at the support for Asen. Sir, existing MT5 platform ako, possibly to avail bot. All you need to do is create an MT4 account, right? So, you have to create a separate account for it. Okay? So, just, meron instructions naman yan kung meron na kayong mga MT4, MT5. You have to create a separate MT4 account for it. Okay? Nakikinig lang po ako, sir. Nagda-drive po kasi ako ngayon. Overtime kami. Dahil dyan maumay. Ingat sa pagda-drive, bro, ha? Right, Asen, yan. Supports lang muna kay Asen. PHA, Sir Lloyd, negative 600 na ako sa crypto ko. Ano magandang gawin? Oh, man. Question is, ano ba yung initial plan mo? Are you into crypto for long term? Or were you in it for short term? Anong crypto yon? Right, Ryan Bornea. If you're in it for short term, man, dapat kinakatlos nyo na yan. Right? It's already dropping and problema dyan, hindi natin alam saan pupulutin. We're looking at 30,000. Buti if mag-bounce sa 30,000. What if magtuloy-tuloy? So that's gonna be very hard. Right? So, if you're into for long term, abangan nyo po sa baba. And yan, average down. It's about accumulation if ever you're into crypto for long term. Okay? Sir, existing FT, nabasa natin na. Janer Dianyo, sir, ang eToro copy trading, okay naman po siya for long term po. Also, anytime, pwede din ba mag-top up ng funds? Yes. Yung eToro, I strongly recommend yung copy trading. Look at it in a long term perspective, yung copy trading. Swerte nyo if ever tumaas talaga na mabilis kasi magaling yung trader na copy nyo. But yeah, look at it on a long-term perspective. Kel Mike, bro, paano po mag-open ng eToro sa Japan? Jong, pwede mo turuan sila Kel Mike. Yung iba gumamit ng VPN, yung iba may process na ginawa. I'm not really sure ano nga ulit yung nakalimutan ko. Bear Cobiliao, Sir Lloyd, si Neo po. Neo already had the support before, 'di ba? We already called Neo for a buy, nag-pull back, nag-buy na naman. I would say, yes, it's still a buy. It's already accumulation levels for Neo. And sumasabay to sa market. So, international market is looking well right now. So, I would say Neo is good for accumulation already. Aldous, sir, good day, more power sa advance sa inyo. May question po ako in your opinion, paano po i-handle ang landslide ni BTC? Affected ang mga altcoins. Paano po i-handle ang ganitong scenario? Thanks a lot. Taka lang ha. Yeah, I feel you guys. Alam ko marami na namang naiipit. I was really just hoping na marami tayong viewers na hindi naiipit because I've been cautioning you ever since kay crypto na masyado mataas na sa crypto and it is bound to crash anytime soon. And here that we're looking at the crash right now. I don't know if ever iba-iba kasi tayo ng tolerance ng losses, right? Iba-iba tayo ng tolerance ng losses. So if I try to put myself in your shoe, definitely masakit na ngayon i-cut loss ang crypto ninyo. So, best scenario for you guys is just buy more at the bottom. Try to average down. If naipit na kayo ng malaki. If kaya pa ang losses, then cut loss now, please. Huwag kayong mag-umasa na umakyat yan. It might go up, yes, but it can also go down. And right now, the trend is going down, so mas mabigat po ang pagbagsak. So, mas malaki ang chances for it to drop even more. Okay? Sir Lloyd Neo, nabasa natin to. Interesting po yung bot. Thanks. From Trisha Vargas. Check out the episode yesterday for the bot trading, guys. Okay? Ryan Sel, Kiso Bornea. Ganito na lang, guys, ha. Meron akong fundamentalist. Meron kaming bagong kaibigan para sa what do you call this? Para sa crypto. He's gonna be a partner of Stocks Ed. He's a fundamentalist of crypto, and we are planning to allot one episode a week about crypto para mas deeper insights. It's mas maganda kasi insights ng isang tao na nagfo-focus talaga. I know this guy has been trading crypto ever since. So, we invited him over and we'll talk about that. Siguro bukas, right? I'll ask him, right? It's very timely. Bukas, simulan natin. Actually, natapos na yung crypto na course natin. Tingnan nyo po, right? If ever. Pero, yeah. Crypto update tayo bukas. Right, I'll ask him to be present tomorrow. So, abangan nyo yung episode bukas. Magka-crypto tayo bukas. Okay? Doge, Uni, ADA, and ETC. Gawin ko na lang long-term, Sir Lloyd. Baka makabawi pa. Tama kaya ang desisyon ko. Actually, Martingale. Average down, average down, average down. Pwede naman yan. Right? Definitely, it's a cycle. Aakyat rin naman yan balik in the future. So, just average down if ever. Sinabi sa inyo kung susubukan nyo sa taas ha. Kung susubukan nyo sa taas noon talaga, maliit lang muna. Right? Kasi it's already at those levels, strictly for trading na po dapat yon, right? Kasi pag investor kayo dyan, malalim yan. So, if ever kaya ng risk ninyo yon. Anyways, it's nangyari na eh. Wala tayong magagawa. All we can do is really guide you guys. So, yeah, in the future, magsa-cycle naman yan. Long term na lang if ever hindi nyo na kaya. Just forget and learn about. Take a lesson, right? Make it a lesson na lang. At the very least, magle-level up kayo sa trading nyo. You already know what to do in the future. You know better next time. Okay? ECP. Right, ECP, touching lower Bollinger Bands, mukhang magda-downtrend pa mga pre. Earnings, maganda yung first quarter earnings niya. So, that's something, pero net foreign, selling, walang data. But Bollinger Bands has been triggered, so I think babagsak pa yan. Accumulation is the key talaga. This is from MJ Moika. Yes, yun lang pwede natin gawin if ever naipit man lang kayo. Right? Unless you can, right? Here's a different perspective, right? Ganito po. Absorb the losses, and then, yung natirang pera, ilagay nyo on something na gagana. Right? Will be earning for you. Mas mabilis po mag-recover ng ganun. Right? If you do, you're gonna be wasting your time. Right? What if 2 years from now pa siya mag-recover? Right? And ang layo ng 60,000, sobrang mahal nun para sa crypto. Pero yeah, we don't know for sure kailan kasi bibili. Alright, so this will take courage. Pero this is my strongest recommendation for you guys. Sell it, put it on something na will benefit you at the very least. Okay? Na pwede kayong kumita. Go for crypto, not for crypto. Go for copy trading, go for the bot trading. If marunong kayo mag-trade, Forex right now is the most beautiful one. Copy trading is looking well also because international market is poised to recover already. So yeah, those are something. Forex, going to look at Forex, look at international stocks pa-recover na po. So those are the two good areas right now that you can diversify into. At least mag-recover kayo na mas mabilis doon. Kaysa tiisin nyo, sayangin nyo oras. Yuchibot, sir, your opinion, when po dapat mag-venture to other markets? Dapat po ba mag-form muna ng malaking base sa PSE? For example, for venturing to US stocks. Actually, I strongly recommend you try international stocks first before getting into PSE. It's just that it's not the norm. Kasi ang tendency, I want to start in PSE muna. Ito yung mindset ha. I've been in the market for very long. Met so many newbies. The mindset is like this. I'm gonna start in the Philippine Stock Exchange first because it's familiar to me. Mas familiar ang territory na Philippine Stock Exchange. But in reality, PSE is one of the hardest markets to trade in the world. Okay? International market is so much easier to trade. And because it's easy, dapat ang newbies andon muna. Right? That's the reality of it. So, yeah, dapat nag-venture muna kayo sa labas bago kayo mag-trade sa PSE. It's very hard to trade in Philippine Stock Exchange, my friend. Sir Lloyd PHA, di pa po na-cover kanina. Let's check it out. Jocelyn, uy. Alright, PHA, massive jump right now, today. Let it pull back and bounce, create a support. That's gonna be a buy for me, definitely. Nagsisimula na umakyat yung, nag-spike yung volume niya. So yeah, PHA is looking well, my friend. Franz Cavillas, ATNX, din sir. Athenix Incorporation, it's from Nasdaq. Okay, ang ganda ng pwesto, man. Ang ganda ng pwesto, definitely. Good finds, man. Dito yung mga hinahanap niyo sa baba. Ang ganda ng support before siya nag-rally. Ngayon, nagra-rally na siya, pero lower highs ang pinapakita niya. So, definitely, we are looking at this triangle right here. Pag nag-breakout to, that's gonna be your buy point. Robert Niserio, ATN, Pasuyo. Let's check it out. Alright, ATN, bababa pa, my friends. Abangan muna natin sa baba habang mabigat pa siya. Good evening, sir. In Pixpo. This is from Piolo Cortez. Impixon. Oh, ganda bounces right here, man. This is a support, definitely. Short-term support, I would say, yeah. Just check out where I'm talking about your technical analysis right here. Please check out the fundamentals of this company. There's a downtrend right here. Mukhang nag-breakout na siya sa downtrend niya. Very wise if ever you wait for the pullback and bounce. Yeah, pwede naman ganon. Pero market is bouncing na ha. So baka magtuloy-tuloy ito. So I would say buy some. Right? That's the confirmation of the support. That's the second confirmation. I would say yes. Especially if you're into long term, di naman kailangan na perfect sa support nyo mabili yan. That's already a buy. Definitely. Arturo Toero, ang bot trading good alternative po ba knowing na downtrend ng crypto? Yes, definitely. Ang kagandahan kasi sa Forex, it's a constant yung rotation niya. Bumabagsak, yes, bumabagsak siya if ever nagkakaroon ng problema isang country. Pero trend trading naman tayo. Maganda sa Forex, hindi nakokontrol yung short, yung long position. So kung mag-downtrend man, yung bot is a trend follower. If the trend is downtrend, short selling yung ginagawa niya mga positions. Dito po, Sir Lloyd, here. Dito, wait for the pullback and bounce, but definitely it's already a buy, man. Hopefully nabili nyo kanina sa simula na green. We've been talking about dito before. I already told you, pag nag-green yan, guys, pasukin nyo na. Pero massive ang green kagad kanina, pumutok rin kagad. Best to wait for the pullback and bounce before you wanna get in. At least, at the very least, makakuha kayo na may support naman. Kasi medyo mataas rin naman. For sure, magpo-pullback yan since sobrang lakas. Aldos, ayun, meron pa pala. Jocelyn, you're welcome. APL, full Sir Lloyd is from Edward Junita. APL, let's check it out. 8:37. Time check. Ayan, si APL. Mukhang okay na si APL, ha. Yung support niya nag-confirm naman eh. So, yeah, use the support, man. This is the support of APL. It definitely respected the support. Nag-bounce tayo kanina. Hindi naman siya nag-close under the Bollinger Band. So, hindi massive yung pagbagsak niya. That's a support right there. I would say yes. That's a buy. Sir Bahabol, Aldos, how do you process your thoughts aligning your trading system sa scenario ng Bitcoin? Which of the top 5 crypto coin will you put your money into? If I'm into crypto, I'm gonna go for long term, right? So I'm gonna go with the top coins. Top coins crypto sa crypto definitely is Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum. That's looking well also. Bitcoin, I'll remove Ripple right there. Bitcoin Cash is good, and also it's Binance. Those will be my top 5 if I go into crypto. But I'm gonna go for long term and collect it. Right? Collect it. I'm not gonna go bother day trade it. Right? Pangit i-day trade yung mga large caps. It's best for holding. So, if you are into those, kung susundin nyo yung top 5 ko, best is gonna be, let it pull back and then start accumulating it. Accumulation is always rules. It always rules. Right, then on Flores, ETH Pusher. Let's check out Ethereum, ETH/USD. So, lakas ng downtrend today. Negative 24%. Right, this was imminent, man. Nakita na natin to, di ba? So, yeah, it even broke the MA20 right there. We talked about this the past few days. I told you guys na mukhang babagsak na si Ethereum since nag-break na siya ng MA20. And there it is. Ethereum, I don't know where to play. I don't know saan pa pupulutin yan. I want it to go back down to 1358. That's where I wanna catch it if ever. BTC, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. Adrian Duque, man. And broken MA20, I'd say magda-downtrend din ito. Sir, bot trading, no need to monitor ba? No need to monitor po. Right? No need to monitor. Pero every now and then, kasi ang nagmo-monitor niyan yung mga staff na ng bot service, okay? Traders din, mga kaibigan ko, traders din ang nagmo-monitor niyan. If ever there is something that they think na pwede na ibenta, hindi pa binebenta ng bot. If you're already in the chat room, mafe-feel nyo po yan. It's gonna go through, ang plano namin is to shift into Discord. Ngayon sa Telegram pa lang muna, but we're gonna be shifting to Discord. Then we will tell you if pwede na ito i-take profits. Yun lang, minor monitoring. But it's up to you. If you don't wanna take profits about, say it, discretionary nyo yun. Recommendation lang yun kasi hindi pa binibenta ni bot. Kasi may target TP si bot eh. Pag hindi na-hit yung TP, hindi niya pa ibebenta. Pero as a trader, human factor, we will say profit na to eh. So, if we're gonna be taking profits from it, pwede nyo po i-manually close yung trade if you want to. So, yun lang. That's the monitoring all you need to do. Alright? You're gonna be in the community and may updates every now and then for the trades. Nag-update doon. Guys, nag-open yung bot natin ng positions, makikita yung position sa account ninyo. Ganito lang sa bot, how safe it is if ever you want to stop, right, the service. Kasi, ano yun di ba? 25,000 for trading. Then it will open positions for your account. If ever after a month hindi nyo gusto ang takbo, if you think you're losing money, you can always stop it by changing your password. Pag nag-change ang password niyo, hindi na ma-access ng bot yon, hindi na makapag-trade ng bot. You still have control of your money. So, why not test it out? Tech, sir! Let's check out Tech. Sirtech, mukhang downtrend, my friends. Bangan natin sa support si Sirtech. Andito ang support ni Sirtech. Last time nung gumawa siya ng support, it created a double bottom with this sign right here and ang ganda ng signal. Right now, I wanna create another bottom for Sirtech. Medyo healthy naman yung bottom niya this time kasi pababa. Pero pataas yung RSI niya. So, RSI is going sideways at this point. we're definitely at support levels for Certec. You can trade it anytime soon. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pwede po ba silip si AP? Thank you. Let's check it out, AP. Sorry. Boytis Power. Ay. Okay naman yung earnings niya, revenue. Supports right here, my friend. Pandemic level supports. Diyan yung subukan bilhin si AP. Saan po, sir, magandang pullback price niya dito? Wala pa pullback kasi pinapakita si dito. So we can't really say. If ever kasi ganito ang mga situation, the best technical analysis tool to use is going to be Fibonacci. Pero yung Fibonacci kasi, kailangan muna natin ng pula. Right? Diba? So, abangan natin magpula and then we'll try Fibonacci or baka bukas na magpula yan. Magpula yan bukas, abangan nyo sa Fibonacci, bilhin nyo na kaagad bukas kasi this is volatile. Pwede yan mag-bounce within the day at bumalik na naman sa taas. So Fibonacci with this massive trend, if we're looking at the close today, yung bounce niya should be at around, pullback should be at around 8.88, 8.87, or 8.55. So, dyan po, yung dalawang pwede niya mag-bounce. Right? Abangan nyo bukas, di ba? Ang taas ng mga orders dyan. Cut loss ko na lang, Sir Lloyd. Tapos, copy kita. This is from Ryan Bornea. Bahala na. Yeah. Go ahead, man. You can go for copy trading and bot trading. You have two options. I recommend that. I'm also in the bot trading right now. Plano ko is I'm gonna be like my copy trading, right? Like my copy trading, I am going to be publicizing my trades sa I'm gonna be publicizing my trades sa bot. Okay? So I'm just gonna be looking for a way to present it kasi sa phone ko na mo-monitor eh. But yeah. Sige. Pro charts ulit. Sorry. Na-close ko yung chart ko. Hello in WIPH. We have suggested Pips TP level earlier than the bot. This is from John Pleto. Ayan. Si John, ito isa sa mga nagbobot na. Yes, tama po yan. Meron tayong suggested target TPs aside from the bot. Right? So, thanks John for that input. May narinig ako about bot, sir. Saan yun? May vid kayo? Paano pusukin yun, sir? Or sa forex nyo yun, like copy trading? Yes. Adrian, tignan nyo yung episode yesterday. Let me get the link of the episode yesterday. Right, so this was the episode yesterday. Ayoko nang ulitin to ngayon, pero check it out. That's bot trading for you. Check it out po, right? Libre lang yung bot for the first 50, right? Sagot ko na kayo. Libre na yung bot for the first 50. Ang kailangan nyo lang na bayaran is gonna be for the VPS. VPS meaning yung computer na natatakbo para sa account nyo, right? Kasi hindi computer nyo gagamitin. So, yeah, yun lang, 500 monthly. Para rin siyang copy trading, yes. Jose Lumba, okay na po ba si C po? Pa-check. Let's check out C. Ganda ng bounce si C kanina, ha? Let it pull back. Confirm the support. Yeah, maganda to. Magkano ba yung bounce ni C kanina? 435. Actually, okay na yan. I'd say yes. You can definitely check it out. Pero no need to go aggressive. I will want you guys to go for a pullback and bounce before you wanna get in. No need to be aggressive in this kind of market sa PSCI. NVIDIA po, Sir Lloyd. NVIDIA. Alright, so NVIDIA engulfing pullbacks and susunod na bounce sa NVIDIA is gonna be looking well. Alright, sasabay to sa ito yung mga tech stocks na gustong-gusto natin, di ba? Look at this, previous resistance, naging support, dyan siya nag-bounce. Next pullback and bounce is gonna be your entry point. John, we are using XM platform for the bot trading. John Doe, good PM, sir. Good evening po. Sir, uninstall ko na ba ang Binance? Ang lalim na. sabi ni Kel Mike, sir, uninstall ko na ba yung Binance? Ang lalim na. Keep your Binance, man. You can't sell your positions, sell nyo yung positions nyo and put it somewhere na magre-recover para sa inyo, or you have the option to let it be, kalibutan nyo lang muna, and then if ever mag-bottom out na sila, yung crypto, buy more, definitely, right? Ma-feel you guys. Kaya araw-araw ko kayo sinabihan noon na huwag nyo nang pasukin si crypto kasi masyado mataas na. Anyways, it is what it is. Wala nang sisihan ngayon. You got us to help you. Right? So, bukas, pag-usapan natin, invite ko yung kaibigan ko about cryptos para mabigyan kayo ng mas magandang insights talaga from someone who is, yung puso niya nasa crypto talaga. Diba? So, yeah. Bukas, definitely watch the episode. If you wanna help me out, mag-donate kayo sa akin. Kung magdo-donate man kayo, that is gonna be greatly appreciated. Hindi po mapupunta sa akin yan. Mapupunta po yan sa mga kabataan na tinutulungan ko ngayon. Right? So, hi. Yan. So, go to patreon.com/elbazar if you wanna help, if you wanna donate to me, tatanggapin ko po yan. The kids are gonna be very happy for that. And then, if ever magbibigay kayo ng malaking amount, bibigay ko po sa iyo yung recordings ng mga seminars ko na premium. The trading masterclass, how I trade, lahat po andon. It's gonna be for you. Okay? Bot trading. Yung episode kapon, panoorin nyo if ever you missed it out. Right? If ever you know it already, meron po tayong counting slots na available para sa free bot na service. Register po kayo dyan sa, andyan po sa video description yung link. That's gonna be it for me this evening. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Usapang crypto tayo bukas. Let's help, hanap tayo ng tulong sa mga experts talaga sa crypto para sa inyo. Right? I'll see you once again tomorrow. Once again, this is Lloyd and Leoric saying, let's get rich together. Bye everyone. Yay! Bye.